There are 5 determinants of knowing whether we are on the right track or not for our physicality. Let me mention those 5 determinants. The first one is that if we sleep enough, which is 7 to 8 hours in a day, in 24 hours, especially in the early part of the night, and when we wake up, we are not energetic, that is one determinant that we are doing something wrong. Either there is something wrong with our sleep quality, or we have difficulty in sleeping enough time, or we are not sleeping in the right time. So either of these indicated in when we wake up and our day is not full of energy. The second thing, which is actually the part of the same thing, that after eating our food, whatever we put in our body, if we are not energetic and we don't feel that we want to do something, that also indicates that there is something wrong with our gastrointestinal system and the rest of the body, because our gastrointestinal system is part of the external environment, not just internal environment. It is a place where the internal environment faces the external environment. So practically the gastrointestinal tract, which starts with mouth to our last part of GI, is part of an external environment. It's right facing the internal environment. So there is something wrong there. So these are the 2 determinants, sleep and diet. The third determinant is our core strengthening, the core body. If the core body is strong enough, we can prevent many mechanical and postural problems. So what is core? Core is between your rib cage and your pelvic bone, which we call love handles. Everything front and back is the core. All those muscles, ligaments, all those tissues are core. That has to be strong, that has to be toned up. It is not just looking good, it has to be very well built, because our center of gravity lies in front of the lower part of the abdomen.